AI told me exactly how to do it. Step by step, sounded smart, polite, super confident. Just one problem. It was completely wrong. Here's the one thing no one wants to admit. AI doesn't know what's right. It only knows what it can find. And if what it finds is outdated PDFs, conflicting SOPs, and 3 versions of your process in random folders, then that's what it's going to give. With a smile and potentially a hallucination. If your company doesn't have a system that governs knowledge, AI turns into a very expensive guessing machine. That's why we built Procedureflow. It's not a content dump, it's not another knowledge base, it's an operational system for how your business runs. Every step, every decision, every process, centralized, visual, and trusted. So when AI asks, what's the right way to do this, it doesn't have to guess. It knows. This isn't about replacing people, it's about replacing chaos. Procedureflow, the operational system behind confident answers for people and machines.